Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers. The FutureTrend channel is again with you, and for the date of 17th August 2018 we start our everyday analysis of major currencies. It's not a secret that the United States dollar received a kind of strong boost at the moment because of its so-called safe haven status. Of course, from a longer term point of view, it's kind of real surprise that United States dollar receives such kind of strong demand in case of market turbulences. But at the moment, probably the market really does not know where to invest, and in such kind of environment, for example, of latest developments with Turkish financial crisis, as well as trade conflicts between the United States and its major trading partners. All in all, such kind of news don't bode well for other major currencies, and in such kind of environment the market prefers to invest in United States government papers first of all, and in the United States dollar itself. And the last news that Chinese and United States trade authorities are ready to initiate a new round of negotiations regarding future trade policy between the two economic powers. Of course, such kind of news brought a kind of calmness into financial markets, and as a result, rising appetite for risk investments, of course, as you could see, receded the United States upside dollar potential as a safe haven currency at the moment. And from that point of view, probably the euro dollar could stay more or less stable around the level of 114. But once again, from a point of view, of technical reading, only subsequent closing above psychologically, let's say pivotal, not psychological, but pivotal resistance barrier around 115 from a support barrier should bring some respite for the euro dollar and could slightly improve its upside near-term potential. Otherwise, we still forecast a possible further down move in the currency, once again from a technical point of view, and break below FIBA retracement level of 61.8%, that's located around 111.87 at the moment, could accelerate the overall downtrend in the currency. As regarding some other currencies, for example the dollar yen, as you know, usually in case of risk appetite and increasing risk appetite environment, friendly risky environment, usually dollar yen has a tendency to appreciate. Anyway, at the moment, because of strong demand for the United States currency for the last couple of weeks, now the market interpreted the last series of positive risky news as an opportunity to sell the dollar yen, and now probably the market should stay as more or less range bound between the level of 110, where lies also moving average 200 daily line 109.89 at the moment. 110 is a kind of psychologically important barrier, and on the way up the pair should meet tougher resistances around the level of 112 and 113. Cable is more or less stable and still indecisive in its further move. We still suggest to stand aside at the moment, only probably in case of upside rebound, in case of upside move in the currency closer to the level of 129.70-60, where lies 2018 downtrend. Probably you can use such kind of move to sell the currency with a close stop loss. And the dollar Swiss still trading inside of its range between parity level and roughly speak 99, while inside of that range is really very tough to predict next move in the currency. As regarding some other trading opportunities from our channel, some other trade advice, here you could see that we still keep our Euro Swiss long recommendation and prefer to stand aside at the moment in other euro crosses. And as regarding commodity block of currencies, here it is, the strategy list, where we still keep our long trade recommendation in the Aussie, because we still expect that subsequent improvement in relations, trading relations between the United States and China should also improve near-term potential of Australian economy because of close ties with Chinese economy. And from that point of view, we expect that the Aussie as well as some other commodity block of currencies could rebound in the next week. So we are looking forward to see some down move potential in the United States currency. And with such kind of words, because you know our position is at the moment is slightly negative for the United States dollar till the end of 2018. We wish you a pleasant closing, profitable closing of this week, and as well as a nice weekend for all of you, dear friends, and for all of your families.